Why do car washes kind of freak me out for some reason? So, Jasmine is getting ready to go get her nails done at Happiness Nails, and she is being a little shy. So after I drop her off with her aunt, I am going to go pick up Brittany, and we are going to go try to figure out what that problem was at the ATM after I get her. So we will have another video when I go get Brittany. So why do car washes kind of freak me out for some reason? For some reason I get a little claustrophobic in there. Like, I mean, it's just kind of freaky. We are on our way to Oz, so Brittany can get some shoes. She's gonna blow all of her money on shoes.
Some chocos, I like.
So we just went to shoe show and Brittany got
Chocos!
Yeah, chocos. Look at them. So, and we're gonna go eat Mexican food, so she's gonna eat tacos wearing chocos. Chocos.
Okay,
Chocos.
skin help. Okay.
So we're just going to get
Loosen.
chocos.
Pull on the straps in the order shot.
Well, I'm not gonna make you all sit through while Brittany tries this. Mexican food makes me want to puke sometimes. I've ate way too much. Brittany ate tacos with her chocos. And now we are going to go to the bank in Duffield again and hopefully figure out why the ATM kept spit.
In our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky, little white signs.
Gonna fix that problem that caused all of those stupid receipts to keep printing. So we will.
I'll take it slow, just as fast as I can. She don't need no bell, but I can turn them inside out. Never gonna come empty, now until the day I die. Unconditionally, you know I'm always gonna be here for you. No one's ever gonna love you more than God, your mama and me. God, your mama and me. Unconditionally, God, your mama and me.
So we're here at the bank and we're gonna see if the ATM is going to work with her. Well, bad news. Look what Brittany just got. A beautiful receipt.
That says it won't work.
So we are gonna go inside now and figure out what the problem is. And we will inform you. So we got Brittany's card problem fixed at the bank and now we're with Dad. Say hi, Dad. And we are going to go get our taxes back. Yay. Say hi, Dad. Hey, Dad. So, we're changing out Fosters and we're here at the kennels where we keep most of the Paws dogs. So, we're going to play some ball. Here. So I picked up my new foster dog, and this is Diamond. Brittany has a different name, but this is Diamond. So this one is also available for adoption. So if you want to adopt Diamond, just message me. So we made it to the lake, which is behind me. So we're going to attempt to catch some fish. So we've been at the lake for maybe 2 minutes and Brittany is already stuck on a tree limb. What in the world? Somebody say. So since we aren't catching any fish yet, I figured it would be a good time to show how beautiful it is around here. Let me flip the camera around and I'll show you just how nice our view is from where we're sitting. It's just so peaceful. So peaceful. So now I'm going to go catch a fish. Are you okay? So now we are going to move locations since we're not having much luck right here. So we're going to go over where the dam is and hopefully make a fish before it's not late. So I feel like I could possibly be falling in the lake in the next 30 minutes or so, because me and Brittany found a way to get over onto this little grassy area. And I think it's going to be fun trying to get back over to the car, so hopefully, and we still haven't caught any fish, so hopefully here in a minute we might catch one. So a little current situation of how our little fishing trip is coming. I cast it out, got hung, and my pole fell in half, and it's stuck out in the middle of the lake. So I'm going to try and get it out, and then I'll tell you all what happened. Don't break it.
It's on. Jesus. He's trying to swim over there.
Oh my god. My only pair of shoes I have. So, I just showed you the shot of where my fishing pole fell into the water after I got hung up. So I attempted to go swim in the water, but as soon as I got my feet in there, I sunk all the way down to my knees. And so, thankfully, some guy on a kayak was going back to the boat ramp that Brittany yelled at, came and managed to get my other half of the pole. So whoever that guy was, and if you're watching the video, then thank you, because you saved me a fishing pole. So now we are on our way off of the mountain, and I say that is pretty much the last footage on this video. So thanks for watching, and we'll probably have another video probably next weekend or sometime in the middle of the week. So that's all for now.